Look at guys, our baby Ivan is sleeping peacefully.
Yes.
Even though in ATV ride, it was very tough road, right?
Yes,
very bumpy.
Bumpy road.
Up and down, up and down.
This is our breakfast incoming. Lumpia. આ lumpia છે. Fruit salad. Fruit salad. Chopped fruit. 2 mango juice, 2 orange juice. Bas.
Ivan, good morning. Ivan, hi. So, nakakain na ang baby Ivan natin. So, meron tayong bungra dito at saka yung kuha niya. Tapos, nandito naman si Milan.
Eating his breakfast.
What is it, Milan?
Lumpia.
Lumpia. Okay. So, vegetable lumpia, right? You have noodle inside and beans, mug and all. Mug beans. How was it? Very yummy. And you?
Yummy.
Very tasty. So, what did we order aside from this one?
Indonesian breakfast.
Indonesian breakfast. Fried vegetable rice. Vegetable rice. Noodles also. So, we also gave fruit salad together with it, juices and coffee. Gusto mong umalis? Nagpapabuhat siya dyan. Gusto niyang lumabas. Hi guys, so nakakahanap tayo ng Shanghai dito sa Indonesia. And meron siyang pansit sa loob. Tapos little bit of vegetable. Tapos meron siyang dinidip dito sa may chili sauce. Sarap. Tignan niya si Vidi dito guys. Oh, hello! Kasama niya si Tita Vidi niya. Let's go! Tara guys. So papalabas na kami dito sa may resort na tinutuluyan namin. And ito yung villa namin guys. Oh. Ayan. At least close the door of our villa. So this is the villa. Hi Jano, you're looking very sexy and pretty.
Thank you.
Oh. And look at the murals.
Lock?
Look oh, this is our villa.
Lock.
No, it's okay. No one will touch our stuff. So let's go and close. Ayan. Ganda oh. Ganda ng mural. And dito kami nagsiswimming kahapon, kagabi. Ang ganda oh.
This everything. This is our
Tapos dito namin nilalagay itong mga stroller ni Ivan. Ayan, yung mga gamit niya sa pag-swimming. Tapos dito naman, guys, meron kaming refrigerator, meron kaming water heater like for coffee. Ayan. Tapos meron kaming private pool dito, pero dahil maliit itong private pool namin, ayaw namin na mag-swimming dito. Ayan. Pero pinifilter naman. Mas bet lang talaga namin dun sa labas kasi malaki. And since walang gaanong tao kahapon. So, for our agenda for today, we'll be doing ATV, tsaka river rafting. Pero kasi dahil kasama natin si Ivan, siguro, I think hindi na ako magre-river rafting. Tapos sa ATV, 1 by 1 na lang kami. So, ayan. I am already tan. Milan, hi!
Hello,
Let's go
I'm
for...
also very tan.
We are very tan already. So, let's go for river rafting and ATV for today.
How
Let's
much
go.
battery you have?
So guys, tingnan niyo yung asawa ko. Pinapag-medyas nila kami ngayon because we'll be going for ATV ride. So kung napapansin nyo, wala si Ivan ngayon dito at saka si Jano and Vidi because they're taking care of Ivan. So ayan siya. Taking too much time. Safety first.
Mummy Jay, high five. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Hi guys! So pupunta na kami for ATV with Ivan! Hi, Ivan! You're excited? Yes, Mommy,
Yes!
I'm excited! Hi! Ivan!
Ivan!
Hi! Yay! Ivan, are you enjoying? Over there at the back, say hi, guys! Are you enjoying, anak? Yeah? We did ATV ride, guys, with Ivan.
Damn it, damn it.
Look what happened in front of us, guys.
Not working.
Their ATV bike is not working. So we are stuck. Ayan. Hobby this driving? Eh, papre.
Double brake, double brake. બે બ્રેક એમ જોજે ટર્ન લેજે ટર્ન
Guys, we're already in the jungle.
And Swagli Road.
So much jungle and here's baby Ivan looking. Are you enjoying? Yes. You're enjoying, Daddy. The ladies, we're gone.
હેવી ડ્રાઈવર મને કહેવાય તમે હેવી ડ્રાઈવર તમે
He is observing only.
He likes observing.
He is observing the different. Look, bamboo. He is observing this bamboo.
Likes observing. So dito guys, merong negosyo, ayan o, nagbebenta sila ng mga beer, Coca-Cola, Sprite, buko. So ayan yung negosyo. While yung mga ATV, bikes na nakapark doon. Ayan, tignan si Jano,
How much for coconut?
30,000.
30,000.
So ayan guys, so tignan
Coconut के
nyo.
पास
So bili tayo.
रेखा है उमर है ना.
Milan, kami sulewano siya.
मैं तो Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola, Mara Sprite.
Look at guys, our baby Ivan is sleeping peacefully.
Yes.
Even though in ATV ride, it was very tough road, right?
Yes, very
bumpy.
bumpy
Up
road.
and down, up and down.
He have my jeans.
Yeah, he can sleep anywhere peacefully.
And he's looking
garmi
everywhere.
garmi lagta
Earlier, looking.
Exposure.
Exposure. No.
ना गर्मी लागसे ना.
It's okay. The hotness
sure,
will,
thank you.
later the hotness will touch him.
This driver is very heavy. Heavy driver.
ગાડી આમ ઠોકતી ફરતી. મેં જોતો તો પાછળ થી.
રિવર્સ નથી થતી એનથી રિવર્સ કરે ને તો એવી ને એવી પાછી આવે એમ ગવંડર આમ ના ફેરવે એવી ને એવી પાછી આવે ને પછી મેં સીટ બદલીને કર્યું વેરી સ્વીટ
ગરમ છે
મીડિયમ બહુ ગરમ ને બહુ ઠંડુ ને મીડિયમ છે
1 hour for the ATV. And I think baby Ivan is the youngest to ATV.
How was the experience, Ilan? How
We
was the
just
experience?
completed the ATV ride with baby Ivan and not even a single cry.
He cried.
No crying.
Not a single
No
time he cried.
crying.
Adventurous island
Very
boy.
adventurous.
Filipino island boy.
Yay! I'm an island boy. Hi guys, so kakatapos lang namin na mag ATV ride and ngayon umalis na yung tatlo for the water rafting. River rafting ba yung tawag doon? So dahil nga kasama ko si Ivan guys, hindi siya pwedeng mag river rafting and 3 oras lang mawawala. So hindi naman namin pwedeng ipaubaya sa driver si Ivan and hindi ko naman aalaw yun guys na mag-isa yung anak ko kasama yung ibang tao. So ang sabi ko sa kanila, you guys enjoy, 3 oras kayong mawawala, don't worry, ako mag-aalaga kay Ivan and mag-enjoy lang kayo, wag niyong isipin. So, ayun, papakita ko ngayon yung baby ko sa inyo na tutulog na siya. So, ayun guys, medyo naging tan na yung baby natin and medyo umitim na siya kasi kanina nag-ATV ride siya kasama namin ni Milan. So, kanina guys, as you can see, kasama namin nag-ATV ride si baby Ivan. So, ayun, tinanong namin yung admin. Sabi niya, okay naman daw na mag-ATV ride kasama si baby Ivan since nakita nga nila na meron kaming baby carrier. Pero ang sabi nila, it's our responsibility daw kapag merong mangyari. Pero kami kasi ni Milan guys, very adventurous kami and alam naman namin yung ikakapahamak ng baby namin. So sinama namin siya kanina and enjoy siya. Ang paniniwala kasi namin ni Milan guys, the more na nag-e-explore ang baby namin, like imagine ilang bansa na yung napuntahan niya, 8 months pa lang siya. So the more na nag-e-explore ang baby namin, the more na nade-develop yung mind niya. So within first year, talagang minamanage namin and talagang pinupush namin na marami siyang ma-experience sa batang edad niya para mas ma-develop yung brain niya. So kanina, ayun, chinek nga namin and minake sure namin na okay siya and enjoy siya guys. Hindi siya umiyak kahit isang beses. Imagine ninyo, sobrang nag-enjoy siya dun sa ATV ride. And pagkarating namin dito sa may river rafting, ayun nga, hindi nga namin pwedeng isama si Ivan and nakapagbayad na nga din ako ng ticket. So, nag-book nga kami ng package, 'di ba? So, kasama sa binook naming package yung river rafting. And it's 4,500 para sa river rafting. So, hindi yun refundable. Kaya yung 4,500 na wala kasi nga hindi ako sumama doon. Pero okay lang din since I'm editing, I'm working while waiting for them. So win-win situation din naman kasi nakapag-enjoy si Milan. Sabi ni Milan guys, siya na nga lang daw yung pupunta doon sa may siya nga lang daw yung mag-aalaga kay Ivan. Pero sabi ko no, kung ikaw yung mag-aalaga kay Ivan, paano yung gatas niya? Tapos kung mas mag-enjoy ka, mas mag-enjoy ka dyan. Kung ako yung mag-aalaga kay Ivan, papatulugin ko lang siya. And then I can do other stuff like reels, YouTube videos, ayan, mga Facebook videos. Ayan, magagawa ko yung mga yan. So, mas better, mas logical kung ako yung magstay. So, very gentleman kasi talaga ang asawa ko, guys. And, ayun, gusto niya na nag-e-enjoy ako kasi nga nakikita niya kung gaano ako ka-busy sa mga bahay-bahay, bagay-bagay, mga videos, resort, and all of that. So, sabi niya, live life to the fullest nga daw ako ngayon sa Bali. Sabi ko, no, you go. Ako yung mag-aalaga kay Ivan. So, ayun guys, umalis na sila. They will be back after 3 hours. And ako dito is mag-e-edit na ako, magtatrabaho, and then balitaan ko kayo later. Hala, dumating na. Dumating na yung tatlong nag-water rafting. Tingnan nyo. And Ivan woke up just on time. Nag-water rafting sila, mukhang pagod na pagod. So, tingnan nyo. Hi, Ivan! Did you have a good sleep? Yes, my love. And tingnan nyo, guys. Doon sa hotel na tinuluyan namin, walang effect yung mosquito repellent. Lahat kami nakain ng lamok. Kaya nagreklamo talaga kami doon sa admin. Tingnan nyo, oh. Nakagat siya ng lamok. Buti lang sa mukha lang, hindi sa may paa. Okay naman. Yung mukha lang niya yung nakagat. Ayun, oh. Kawawa naman ang baby ko. Hi, Ivan! Good morning! Xerox copy ko pala yung baby kong yan. So, doon kasi sa tinutuluyan namin na private resort, guys, medyo medyo nasa mountain area siya. So, hindi daw talaga maiiwasan na maraming lamok. So, binigyan nila kami ng briefing na magdala nga daw ng mga mosquito repellent. And kahit na mayroon namang mosquito repellent, wala pa ring effect. Ayan, no? Kaya nagreklamo kami sa kanila. Yan ang sabi namin na mag-spray nga ng mosquito pesticide. Ang tag doon yung mosquito spray para kumonti yung lamok. So, ayan. Lalagyan ko pa ng napakaraming mosquito repellent ng baby ko. Kahit na medyo malagkit na siya later. Hi! Dumating na sina daddy niya, tsaka ang mga tita niya. So, they're just changing their clothes. So, ayun. Balitaan ko kayo later, guys, sa mga haganapan dito. Look who's here! How was it?
Thank God you didn't come there.
Why?
Very tiring.
Not good?
The rafting was very good.
Ah?
But the trekking part of coming and going,
Tiring.
very tiring. Good thing you didn't come. High five.
High five! Oh, he is very happy upon seeing you. He is very happy. Look at him.
Look at my baby. Very happy.
When he saw his daddy, like, Daddy did not take you, na? Daddy did not take you. Oh, you guys are bad. You did not take me.
Mwah.
He slept. He slept for whole 3 hours.
Hey.
Ah.
Oh, Bapre. Very, very good
Very
boy.
good. High five.
High five, high five,
Thank
high
you. Chala, let's go. Let's go and swim.
Yeah.
Yay! Chala. Uttapam. Let's go. So, magpapaspa na tayo ngayon, guys. It's been a long day, so kailangan natin, hello. Kailangan natin mag-spa. So, they also have nail polish and all of it.